Hello friends, in this session we are going to talk about local SEO. Local SEO has become an important component of SEO. So the difference between local SEO and if you call national SEO or international SEO is local SEO is confined to that particular city or particular area or boroughs or neighborhood that are part of that city. So if you were to be New York, then you'd have Queens would be part of a local SEO. So one of the keywords that people would search for would be, say, some services, plumbers near me, or plumbers in New York, or plumbers in Queens, and these would be part of the local SEO. The whole concept of local SEO gained more focus after local businesses went to Google and complained that they were kind of sidelined, and with large businesses taking over SEO. So what Google has nicely done is integrated Google Maps, and they are noticing that people are searching for businesses or for restaurants around them, and so the concept of something near me is what Google has caught on. So who can benefit from local SEO? It can be a local dentist, a retail store, anybody who has a retail presence where people come and buy goods or services. These kind of services or stores can benefit from local SEO. How do you do local SEO? All you need is perhaps a website which is integrated with Google My Business. So Google My Business is a Google property that allows small businesses to be identified. If you search on Google, you will have a rectangular bar on the right, which is your website, and that also contains reviews, the photos, videos about you, the offers, and some more information, your phone numbers. So basically what Google then tries to provide insights about how many people maybe saw this, called you and reviewed you. You can also then reply back to these reviews and get a better local presence. So how do you then take advantage of local SEO? You can work on your own and update these details, or work with a agency like Opteamize Solutions, who would then set up your local presence and further keep updating this. Again, the important components are Google My Business, and if you have a website, integrate that. If you do not have a website or you need additional web presence, then you can use Google Sites, which is integrated as part of the Google My Business. That's it for me in this session. We talked about the importance of local SEO and Google My Business. Thanks again.